lime and juice, lime and juice.
I want to turn up the radio and listen loud. You have voices of heavens above, he's got you now. And I like to go up, up, up. And I like to go, oh, oh, oh. I like to turn up the radio.
Are you feeling? Mama, them old mama said them charging with smoke and drop. If me never jump, then them hold me too. So tell me, mama, what you gonna do? Oh, mama, what you gonna do now? Oh, mama, what you gonna do? Oh, mama, what you gonna do now? Oh, mama, what you gonna do? Next week is the case. In my budget, judgment place. In the eye, left in space. I make the doctor them work on it. Oh, mama, what you gonna do now? Oh, mama, what you gonna do? Oh, mama, what you gonna do now? Oh, mama, what you gonna do?
survive a more. Arise, black man, arise. Arise and know thyself. Arise, black man, arise. Arise and know thyself. Oh, we see you in the dirt too long. See that we don't know when we're right or wrong. Together we can sing my song, black man, arise. Lord mercy, arise, black man, arise. Arise and know thyself. Arise, black man, arise. Rise, arise and know thyself. For the moon shall turn to blood, and the river turn into blood, and then the sun no longer shine. The black man arise. Good Lord mercy. Black people, Africa, Jamaica. Yes, because we've been sitting in the dirt too long. Seems like we don't know right or wrong. Yes, we sing my song, oh black man arise. Lord arise, black man arise. Arise and know thyself. Arise, arise and know thyself. Who shall turn blood? River turn into blood, and then the sun will no longer shine. Oh black man, stop that train, yes. Wait to come again, my friend. Big respect to Peter Tosh in there. And I feel Peter Tosh, boy. Yeah. Say what you got to say out there, friend Peter Tosh. Say whatever you want to say. Yeah. Stop that train and leave. Good Lord. Stop that train and leave. Stop that train and leave. Said it won't be too long, whether I'm right or wrong. I said it won't be too long, whether I'm right or right.
Eden Church represents of church. Tenacity, exhibit the masculine. Greetings. Joy is my light and my salvation. So shall I be. Joy is thy guide upon this creation. So shall I be afraid. Joy is thy king.
Rasta live.
That's the best thing you can do. Everyone is crying out for peace, yeah. No one's crying out for justice. Everyone is crying out for peace, yeah. No one's crying out for justice. But I don't want no peace. I need and justice. That's what I need. Equal rights and justice is what I want. Equal rights and justice. Equal rights and justice. Everybody wants to go somewhere, but none of them want to die. Followers of Jesus. Everyone wants to go somewhere. None of them want to die. Well, I don't need no peace. I need equal rights.
no stones, no. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. One more time. Everybody push up the voice. What if you live in a glass house now? I'm gonna fling back stone. And if you can't take blows, brother, don't throw blows. Last year. Problem. We need a solution. Love with the understanding. The only solution.
Make we fun.
Stand up for your right. Get up,